Hi, so hope you are doing well. Today I am going to tell you 3 Black Friday Cyber Monday AI tools offers one by one. So you be with me. Very important and interesting video. You should not miss. Okay, this kind of offers. So only once in a time this comes, but still I can guide you how you can get little offers or little discounts even if the time is over. So you be with me. So I can't promise that you will get exact same this huge discount. Okay, so let's get started with this video. First we have Clear CRM 80% off with this with their plan CRM. So you can't imagine, just you can start with 4 USD per month, which is increasingly insanely actually huge discount and very minimal fees actually you are paying. Okay, just the value you are getting because this is CRM, okay, customer relationship management portal. So here you need a CRM, right? And Clear CRM is very popular and authentic, and they have huge reputations in the market. So what are the tasks you can perform with this CRM software? First of all, sales pipeline you can easily manage, quoting also, both, okay, pipeline and quoting. Next, you can manage marketing automations, funnel, then projects, task, collaborations, right? Then you have this one, invoicing, payments, signatures, okay. Then you also have this one, AI for content, customer portal, booking, okay. They also offer 30 days money back guarantee and 14 days free trial. Plus additionally you are getting this much, this offer actually 80% off in their Black Friday Cyber Monday, and extra 50% off in their yearly plan. So I'll show you how 80% versus 50%, I'll tell you. Okay, so now they have 12 days 15 hours left, so you should hurry up. So this exact page link I will add in the description for you so that you can easily reach to this page. Okay, so now if I scroll down, you can see their plan actually starter plan. You can start with 4 USD, growth 9 and scale 19 USD. These are the benefits you will get. Okay, lots of benefits, huge benefits actually. Okay, so one thing in their this one monthly plan you are getting 80%. Okay, but if you simply check their actually annual plan, okay, once you will click this claim deal now, you will be redirected to their page, okay, in the cart page. So from there you can choose their annual plan. Okay, this is the cart or checkout page. Okay, so here you can choose their plan, okay, annual or monthly. So if you choose annual plan, you will get 50% off. So this is how it works. So let's move to our next deal or the offer, okay, which is this one, Opus Clip. Okay, very important tool, you should use this. I can tell you in short. So this tool, if you have 1 hour long video, so it will create 1 minute short form video. Okay, so this is how briefly I just explain it. So what it does, once you will paste that 1 hour long video, long form video, okay, over here, okay, you can upload, or you can upload the video, or you can just drop the YouTube link or a Google Drive link. Okay, just one link or upload video, long video. So and then once you will click get clips in one click. Okay, so it has artificial intelligence behind their technology, so it will analyze, it will understand, and it will create very engaging high quality shorts video or the clip, okay, vertical clip, so that you can publish it on YouTube as shorts, or IG, then as reels, wherever FB, wherever you want in social media platforms, you can use it. Okay, so they also have this one. Now once you will create a free account, okay, again the link will be there in the description, or you can comment me. Okay, then you will have this button over here. You have a discount, okay, because Black Friday Cyber Monday is going on. Okay, so you simply this one, this button over here, I have a discount, you click here. Okay, so once you will click, the page will open with the offer. Okay, with the already discounted offer. So this is their monthly plan. If you select their annual plan, this is the monthly plan. Okay, and this is their annual plan. So basically this starter plan, okay, the price is same, but their pro plan you will get additional discount with their annual plan. Okay, so now it will be 121 and you have to renew with 174, right? And for monthly it will be 14.5, 50% off you will get. So the benefits and all, you can just pause the screen and read if you want. Okay, very useful, you should consider this. Okay, and you be with me till the end. I will give you some tips if the time is over of this, because this offer runs for a limited time. Okay, till December first week. Okay, what if you are watching in Jan, Feb, okay, or December end, then what you will do? So I'll guide you. Okay, so you be with me. So our last but not the least, again super popular, very actually highly used and very famous tool, Pictory. So what Pictory does basically, your business suite in terms of video creations. Okay, so you have a blog post, you simply paste your blog post link and it will convert the blog articles with a very engaging, okay, super useful video form, right? So for example, in their starter package, which is actually normally 25, but with their Black Friday sale you are getting 14 USD. One user 200 minutes, you will get 2 million free videos from story blogs actually you can use. So you no need to purchase separately these story blog subscriptions. Then you have one brand kit and unlimited standard voices in several languages. 200 credits you will get, no watermark, and basic AI tools, auto sync of uploaded voice. Okay, so similarly professional for 24, team 19 USD. Okay, so I recommend you just go with their free trial. Okay, they give free trial also. Okay, so what will happen if you avail their free trial during this Black Friday Cyber Monday? Okay, so you will have some time, because you have these 44 days now. So you use this tool by the time you upgrade, okay, so that you can get the benefit. So one question I have, so if you have that answer, so what if you use their free trial and these 4 days are over? Okay, you are on day 5th or day 6th, so whether you will still get the offer or not, just please comment me. Okay, so that I'll have that idea as well, and I can share to my audience as well. It will help them. Okay, so this much for today. If you have any questions, please ask me. And we published already lots of videos, you should check them out. Okay, and share your valuable feedback. Okay, I look forward to it. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.